What is up and welcome to another video. Good morning, and today is January 11, 2025. It's been a long time since the last time I talked about the Bitcoin's bigger time frame and of course the wider, if you're going to zoom out, what will be the direction of the Bitcoin's price in the coming months. So in today's video, I'm going to explain to you the technical analysis about the Bitcoin's weekly time frame and where could the price be heading in the coming months. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to smash that like button, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. And of course, if you don't want to miss out on my Bitcoin's trade and updates, be sure to click that notification bell. So if you are following me on this channel, guys, you know that I have predicted the bottom last 2021 when Bitcoin dropped to $30,000 and then pump up back up to $65,000. And I was able to sell at around $60,000. And if you are following me on my X account, and if you have watched my video analysis that I am buying Bitcoin at $16,000, congratulations, because we were able to make profit on that trade from $16,000. I have sold my Bitcoin at around $85,000, and I've sold another bunch at around $95,000. And right now I'm going to share with you my view and outlook about the Bitcoin's chart and the possible targets in the coming months. Basically, the possible price action this 2025. So right now, you're looking at the Bitcoin's weekly time frame using logarithmic chart, guys. And as what you can see, I have plotted here the resistance trend line. And right now, the price is hovering on that critical resistance line, and we have also a very beautiful support trend line here that runs from 2011 until now, guys. This is proven to be working using logarithmic chart, and right now I'm gonna point this out to you guys. So looking at the weekly time frame, the price right now is hovering on that critical resistance level. And if we are going to bring up the monthly time frame here, we have actually a double shooting star candle here. You know that a shooting star candle is a bearish candle. Again, all charts and TA are for educational purpose only and should not be considered as a financial advice. I'm just sharing with you my view of the market as per the chart and as per technical analysis. So looking at the monthly time frame, we have this shooting star, guys. This is a bearish candle, and this could be the start of a bigger drop. As what you can see as well, I have plotted here the 4-year cycle of the Bitcoin's price, guys. So these green lines right here are the 4-year cycle. So the start of the cycle, which I have plotted here, was on 2013. So 2013 up to 2017, that is 4 years, guys. And another one is from 2018 up to 2021, another 4-year cycle. And right now we are on this 2021 2025 Bitcoin cycle, guys. So these yellow lines right here are the Bitcoin halvings, and during the halvings we usually see a parabolic rise in the price of Bitcoin. So in the 2013-2018 cycle, the Bitcoin halving happened on July 16 or July 1, 2016, guys. And this have caused the price of Bitcoin to rally up to $20,000, but eventually drop back down to $3,000. And the next halving was on May 1, 2020, and which also triggered a parabolic run for Bitcoin until the resistance trend line right there. And we have seen a correction back to the green line or the 20 EMA support. So we have the green line, which is the 20 EMA support right here, and also the yellow line, which is the 50 exponential moving average as acting as a support. So right now, so it's what you can see on the chart, guys. This 4-year cycle started, the first year cycle started on 2013 and lasted around 1,461 days, exactly 4 years. And that was the end of the 4-year cycle. And right now, it's actually almost identical, guys, because 2018, right here, this is the top of the bull run, the end of the 4-year cycle, and also the start of the bear market. So from 2018 until 2021, we have seen also another 4-year cycle, which marks the end of the bull run. So here, 1,400 days, another 4-year cycle, guys. And right now, we are almost at the end of this 4-year cycle. So from November 2021, which was the top of the previous bull market, we have seen Bitcoin's price drop from $69,000 down to $16,000, and we have seen Bitcoin rallied up to $90,000 or $107,000. So this cycle, 2021 up to 2025, this was the halving, guys. It happened last April 1, 2024. And right now, we have seen that short-term parabolic rally. But the price right now is on the resistance line, guys. So in my opinion, Bitcoin could probably copy this previous price action in the year 2021. So in the immediate short term, we could probably see a short-term correction, probably to retest this 20 EMA. So we are looking at around $70,000 up to $65,000 on the bigger time frame. So if Bitcoin will follow the 2021 price action, we have seen the top here, and then we have seen the price drop and retest the 20 EMA on the monthly time frame, and then eventually pump back up to retest the previous resistance trend line before going down to the bear market. So in my opinion, this is a probability that Bitcoin could probably drop short term here and eventually rally back up. Probably the all-time high as per the previous price action, as per the previous Bitcoin cycles. So if we are going to measure 1,461 days or 4 years from its previous all-time high last 2021, that will give us November 1, 2025. So probably by the end of 2025, last quarter of 2025, we are going to see the peak of this bull run, guys. So short term, in my opinion, we could probably see a correction to retest the $70,000 area, $70,000 to $80,000 area, this 20 exponential moving average, and this previous resistance will turn into a support. So this is going to be the level that I will be watching, guys. So I'm going to probably buy and reaccumulate some of the altcoins if Bitcoin is going to drop to this level. So in the immediate short term, we could probably see a correction down to $65,000, $70,000, and then probably pump back up to retest the previous resistance trend line. That will give us around $110,000 before going to the bear market. So we have our support here, the 50 exponential moving average that will act as a short-term support. But looking at this chart, Bitcoin could probably retest, guys, the support trend line. So probably the next lows and reaccumulation, the next cycle will be around $35,000 up to $40,000. That could even go lower, because last time we have seen a candle wick to the downside. So shall we say around 34, even down up to $25,000 will be the reaccumulation zone for Bitcoin, if we could see that wick to the downside. So this is where the biggest profits are being made, guys, by reaccumulating Bitcoin for long term, and of course reaccumulating some of the altcoins when Bitcoin dropped to this level right here. So if you have bought Bitcoin at $16,000, you have already made 5x. And in my opinion, Bitcoin is the safest among all the cryptos out there. So in my opinion, if you're going to invest, if I'm going to invest big chunk of my portfolio, 50% I'm going to put it on Bitcoin, guys, because that for me is the safest. And then the rest, I will divide it in some of the altcoins, probably 40%. I will reaccumulate in some of the blue chip altcoins, and 10% I would trade using futures or derivatives trading. So if you are here for long term, this is very important, guys, that you study the 4-year cycle, the Bitcoin halving, and of course, it is very important that you always manage your risk, guys. If you're trading leverage, there's always a risk for liquidation. But if you are holding Bitcoin in your cold storage or external wallets, then there is no risk for liquidation. Plus, you're holding your own keys, which is safer compared to putting and holding your cryptos or Bitcoin into exchanges. So that's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Do you think Bitcoin will be able to break the 107,000 level or 111,000 level? And what do you think about my analysis for Bitcoin in the coming months and in 2025? Do you think this chart remains valid? I would like to hear from you guys. Drop them in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. Again, don't forget to smash that like button if you have enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell. I'll see you guys on the next one.